Okay, so this will be the Plattler for Sternpolka broken down. So we start after we finish our part, and there's going to be after the slap. So it'll be thighs, clap, slap, and then you do a hop instead of a last slap. And then you're going to hit your back left first, and then you immediately go to your right leg. So it's back left, right, left thigh, and then front heel, your front left heel. So it's back, right, left, front left heel. So that's the first part. So that's 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you do 5 on the other sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you start with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the full speed version. So you're doing your clap, your slaps and your claps. So you get thighs, clap, slap, clap, thigh, slap, clap, slap. And then the last one you do thigh, clap, slap, and then you hop and you go right into it. And you do it 3 times. And you do 4 croits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go right back into it. 1, 2, 5, 6. And then you do 3 croits. 1, 2, 3, hop,